Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Gemini account. First, after creating your account, locate the Verify Identity or Settings section. You'll need to provide some basic personal information. Make sure you have a valid government-issued photo identification ready, like a driver's license or passport. This initial step is crucial for setting up your secure trading environment. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details, including your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. After that, it's time to upload your identification. Take clear, well-lit photos of both the front and back of your chosen ID. Double-check that all information is readable and no part of the document is cut off. This helps prevent delays in the process. Once your documents are uploaded, Gemini will begin the identity verification process. This often involves automated checks against databases. You might also be asked to provide proof of address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement. Be patient, as this step can sometimes take a little while, from a few minutes up to a few business days, depending on the volume. If your verification is delayed or rejected, carefully review the requirements and resubmit your documents, ensuring they are clear and accurate. Don't hesitate to reach out to Gemini's customer support team if you need assistance. Once verified, you'll gain full access to all platform features. Also, remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.